Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting Google Fit now. Install the app, sign in, and set your profile so measurements are accurate. Once signed in, grant activity and location permissions so steps and workouts record in the background. Without them, data will be incomplete. Next, set an activity goal, steps, or active minutes, and choose your preferred tracking method, phone sensors or a paired device. This ensures consistent baseline data. Make these first changes now, so every subsequent workout and metric reflects your true progress. Now you'll run and refine how Fit records sessions. Open Track Workout, pick a type, and tap Start. Real-time pace, heart rate, and route will appear if enabled. Once done, edit session details to correct activity type or add notes. This improves weekly summaries. Pair devices like a Wear OS watch or Bluetooth heart rate strap to reduce phone dependence and improve accuracy. Finally, integrate third-party apps for cycling or treadmill sync. This consolidates all activity into one timeline for clear. Finish by reviewing your dashboard. Heart points, move minutes, and weekly trend charts show progress and help adjust targets. Once done, export or share key workouts for coaching or motivation and update goals as fitness improves. If data goes missing, first check permissions and that battery optimization isn't restricting the app, then force sync paired devices and restart the phone or watch. If problems persist, clear app cache or reauthorize the account. These fixes resolve most sync and tracking issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.